Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video guys, we'll show you where to find the fuse for the central locking system on a BMW guys E46. That's what we'll be doing today. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this BMW and every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we guys need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think about the channel. So let's go ahead and show you where to find the fuse for the central locking system. You actually have quite a few fuses, not just one, you have multiple fuses. So let's show you now. So where are the fuses guys for the central locking system? We're going to go ahead, go to the passenger side. Okay, we'll need to go ahead, open the glove box compartment right here. And once you drop the glove box down, okay, check this thing out here now. Okay, let me just turn the light a little bit down because it will be too bright. Okay, we have two things that we need to turn. Okay, like that. And your fuse box will drop down. As you can see, just like that. Now if you have a coupe, two-door or sedan guys, okay, we'll explain where the fuses are. And for a station wagon or touring, you're going to have one extra fuse. And we'll explain again where all that is. So, for sedan guys and two-door coupe, okay, the fuses that we need to check, the first fuse is fuse number 49. Okay, and on the top row you can see the fuse numbers listed there. The bottom row they're printed, but it's a little bit hard to see. 49 will be the fourth fuse. Okay, it should be a 5 amp fuse. 1, 2, 3, 4. This fuse right here. Okay, you can see this fuse is number 49. Now if you need to replace the fuse guys, you grab the fuse puller. Okay, press in on the upper part and pull it out. Then, okay, you just grab the fuse like that, pull the fuse out. Usually you can see if it's good or not, okay, just by looking at it. Then you can find in the description of the video below where we get a whole box of fuses, okay, for unbelievable good price. So please check it out. All that will be on the channel. So this is one of the fuses, okay, for the central locking system. So let me make sure that I install it correctly, because you don't want to bend a pin or something like that. So this is one of the fuses. The second fuse we're looking at is number 52. 52 is very important fuse. This is a 30 amp fuse. Okay, this one right here. This is another one you can see. And the last fuse guys for the central locking system is fuse number 60. Okay, and fuse number 60, it's a 25 amp fuse, very important as well. Okay, it's this one right here. If you have the touring, which is the station wagon in the US, you will have one more fuse and it will be fuse number 58. Okay, this one right here, 58 7.5 amp. You can see. So these are guys the fuses, okay, for the central locking system. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.